Good morning children, how are you? I think all are fine children. Children, every class we learnt about IIT chemistry in 7th class. Previous class we learnt about modern periodic table. Generally, what is modern periodic law? What is modern periodic law children? The physical and chemical properties of the element are the periodic functions of their atomic weight or electronic configuration of elements. Yesterday we learned. Next, what is periodic table? What is periodic table? The elements are arranged. The arrangement of the elements in a table is called long form of the periodic table. In periodic table having how many elements? 118 elements. 118 elements are arranged in some horizontal rows, some vertical columns. So horizontal rows are called periods. Horizontal rows are called periods. How many periods we have children? 7 periods. Vertical columns are called groups. How many groups we have children? 18 groups. 7 periods, 18 groups. Horizontal rows are called periods. Vertical columns are called groups. So in periodic table having 118 elements, 118 elements are arranged in 7 periods and 18 groups. Horizontal rows are called periods. Vertical columns are called groups. Don't confuse. In Mendeleev periodic table 7 periods, 8 groups. But modern periodic table having 18 groups, 7 periods. So next, now how many groups, how many periods we have children? This is period. Periods mean left to right. First period, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. 7 periods we have 7 periods. How many groups we have children? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After that 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 17, 18. Now we have discussed about period. Okay, in 118 elements are arranged in modern periodic table. In modern periodic table, elements are divided into 4 blocks. How many blocks we have? 4 blocks. 4 blocks. First block, what children? Yesterday we have discussed S block elements. S block. Second, P block. Third, D block, and fourth, F block elements. S block elements are arranged in left side of the periodic table. Left side of the periodic table. Those two groups are S block elements. And P block elements are arranged in right side of the periodic table. P block elements. Okay. Next, D block elements arranged in middle of the periodic table. D block elements arranged in middle of the periodic table. And bottom of the periodic table, F block elements are divided into 2 series, lambda series and actinoid series. Lambda series and actinoid series. Those are 4th block. F block elements. Okay. S block elements are arranged in left side of the periodic table. P block elements are arranged in right side of the periodic table. D block elements are arranged in middle of the periodic table. F block elements are arranged in bottom of the periodic table. Next, S and P block elements are called representative elements except 0 group. S and P block elements are called representative elements. S and P block elements are called representative elements. S and P block elements are called representative elements. Representative elements. S and P block elements are called representative elements except 0 group elements. Except 0 group elements means 8 group. So here S block elements and P block elements are called representative elements. D block elements are called transitional elements. transitional elements. Inner transitional elements. Periodic table divided into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. S block elements are arranged in left side of the periodic table. P block elements are arranged in right side of the periodic table. D block elements are arranged in middle of the periodic table. F block elements are arranged in bottom of the periodic table. S and P block elements are called except zero group. S and P block elements are called representative elements. D block elements are called transition elements. F block elements are called inner transition elements. F block elements are divided into 2 series: lanthanides, actinoids. Lanthanides mean rare earth metal. Lanthanide another name, rare earth metal. Lanthanides are called rare earth metals. Rare earth metals. Actinoids mean radioactive elements. Radioactive elements. Radioactive elements. See now, once again, periodic table divided into 4 blocks. S block, P block, G block and F block. S and P block elements are called representative elements. D block elements are called transition elements. F block elements are called inner transition elements. And the lanthanides, F block elements are divided into 2 series: lanthanide series and actinide series. So here lanthanides and actinoid series. Lanthanides and actinide series. Here ATM, here lanthanide elements is there, here actinide elements is there. Actinides, lanthanides. Lanthanides arranged in bottom of the periodic table. Actinides also arranged in bottom of the periodic table. Those 2 series are called F block elements. So listen once again. S and P block elements are called representative elements. D block elements are called transition elements. F block elements are called inner transitional elements. F block elements divided into 2 series: lanthanide series and actinoid series. Lanthanide series are called as rare earth metals. Actinoid series are called radioactive elements. What is radioactive elements? Radioactive elements, emits of the radiation is called radioactive elements. Radioactive elements. So radioactive elements, rare earth metals and radioactive elements. Lanthanides is called as rare earth metals. Actinides is called as radioactive elements. Radioactive elements, uranium, thorium, polonium, so many elements in here, no? Radioactive elements mean emits of the radiation is called radioactive elements. Lanthanides is called as rare earth metals. Actinides is called as radioactive elements. Okay, Nana? The left side elements is called S block elements. Right side elements are called P block elements, and the middle of the elements is called D block elements. Bottom elements F block elements. So yeah, now we are discussed information about periods. Now only we are discussed periods information. How many periods we have, children? How many periods? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 periods. 7 periods are arranged in horizontal rows. Horizontal rows mean from left to right. Left to right periods. Keep in your mind, left to right periods. Horizontal rows mean left to right. Top to bottom groups. Top to bottom like this. Vertically columns are called groups. Horizontal rows are called periods. Left to right periods, top to bottom groups. So now see now first group elements. How many elements is there in first group? Only 2 elements is there. First group, how many elements is there, children? 2 elements. Hydrogen, helium. First group element very shortest period. First period is called as shortest period. First period is called as shortest period. First period having only 2 elements. First period having only 2 elements. Elements, which elements? Hydrogen and helium. Only 2 elements is there. This is called shortest period. First period is First period is called shortest period. Keep in your mind this name. First period is called shortest period, only having 2 elements. First period is called shortest period. Next, second period. Second period, how many elements is there? Find ones. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. How many elements is there in our second period? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements. Only first two, second period having 8 elements. 8 elements. Which elements in our lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Fluorine, neon. Second period having 8 elements. Second period having 8 elements. Second period are called short period. Second period are called short period. Second period are called short period. Short period. Keep in your mind these names. First period having 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. This is called shortest period. Second period having 8 elements. This is called short period. See the next third period. Grab this one. See third period. How many elements is there? Third period. Sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. How many elements total? 8 elements. Third period. How many elements is there? 8 elements. 8 elements. So 8 elements. Which elements? Third period. Sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Total how many elements in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements. Third period also how many elements is there? 8 elements. This is also short period. Short period. Third period also short period. First period is called shortest period. Second and third. First period, shortest period. And second and third, short period. Short period. Second and third, short period. Fourth period. Now we have discussed fourth period. Fourth period, how many elements is there? Count once. Potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So here fourth period, how many elements is there? Fourth period, how many elements is there? Fourth period, 18 elements is there. Fourth period, 18 elements is there. I have this one seen first period having only 2 elements. That is called shortest period, hydrogen and helium. Fourth period having how many elements? 18 elements. Fourth period having how many elements? 18 elements. So 18 elements, starting element what? Potassium. Potassium to krypton. Potassium to krypton. Fourth period having how many elements? 18 elements. 18 elements. Potassium to krypton. This period is also called as long period. Long period. Keep in your mind these names. Long period. So fourth period is called long period. Fifth period. Fifth period also how many elements is there? See the fifth period. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Fifth period also having 18 elements. So first element what children? Rubidium. Rubidium to last element what? Xenon. Rubidium to xenon. Rubidium to xenon. Overall how many elements? 18 elements. This is also called long period. This is also called long period. Second and third period short period. Fourth and fifth long period. Long period. Fourth and fifth long period. Second and third short period. First period is called shortest period. Next sixth period. See the count once elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 elements. So, sixth period having 32 elements. Sixth period having 32 elements. Sixth period have 32 elements. Starting element what is cesium. Cesium to last element radon. Cesium to radon. Total elements 32. Sixth period having 32 elements. Sixth period having 32 elements. This is called longest period. Sixth period is called longest period. Longest period. Sixth period having longest period. Sixth period are called longest period. This is longest period. How many elements have children? 32 elements. Next, final one, seventh period. Seventh period, seen an incomplete period. Here so many elements is not discovered. So, seventh period is called incomplete period. Seventh period is called incomplete period having, seventh period having 31 elements. This is incomplete period. Incomplete period having 31 elements. Seventh period is called having, seventh period is 31 elements is called incomplete period. Incomplete period. Now we are discussed only information about periods. In modern periodic table having how many elements Nana? How many elements? 118 elements. 118 elements are arranged in periodic table. Some divided in some groups, some periods. Horizontal rows are called periods. Vertical columns are groups. How many periods we have children? 7. How many groups we have children? 18. So 7 periods, 18 groups. So now we have discussed the information about periods. How many periods we have children? 7 periods. 7 periods are arranged in from left to right. Left to right. Left to right means horizontal rows. Okay, next in periodic table divided into 4 blocks: S block, P block, T block and F block. S and P block elements, S block elements arranged in left side of the periodic table. P block elements arranged in right side of the periodic table. D block elements arranged in middle of the periodic table. F block elements arranged in bottom of the periodic table. S and P block elements are called representative elements. D block element except 0 group. D block elements arranged in bottom of the periodic table. F block elements arranged in D block elements arranged in middle of the periodic table. F block elements are arranged in bottom of the periodic table. S and P block elements are called representative elements. D block elements are called transitional elements. F block elements are called inner transition elements. F block elements divided into 2 series: long thread series and earth node series. Long thread series name rare earth metals. Long thread series another name radioactive elements. Next, information about periods. How many periods we have children? 7 periods. 7 periods. First period having 2 elements, hydrogen, helium. First period is called shortest period. First period is called shortest period. Only 2 elements is there. Second and third period having how many elements? 8 elements. Second and third period having 8 elements. Second and third period is called short period. Second and third period is called short period. Second and third period are both periods having 8 elements only. And fourth and fifth period having 18 elements. Fourth and fifth period having 18 elements. Fourth and fifth period elements are called long period. Long period. Fourth period and fifth period is also called as long period. Next, sixth period having 32 elements. Sixth period having 32 elements. That is called shortest period. Long period, longest period. Sixth period is called as longest period. Seventh period having incomplete period. 31 elements is there. Seventh period is is called as incomplete period. Seventh period is called incomplete period. Okay, first period is having two elements. First period is called shortest period. Second and third period is called short period. Next, fourth and fifth period is called long period. Sixth period is called longest period. Seventh period is called incomplete period. All of you read properly, Nana. Listen my class properly, all of you, and read periodic table and read information about periods only. Okay, Nana. See, next class we have discussed information about groups. Thank you. See you tomorrow.